welcome back to Genesis Survival. So today I'm going to be making a mob farm because the Dark Devil said that he would buy lots and lots of arrows. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. Yeah, so basically we're going to have this 21 block tall shaft. And then at the top there's going to be the spawning area. So yeah. I'll come back once the shaft is complete. Okay, so I have finished the top part of the mob spawner. Okay. It looks like this. Yeah, kinda ugly, but whatever. You'd have a lot more footage of why it looks so ugly if my computer would stop deleting clips. But besides that, it might work. I think if it doesn't work, down here works pretty well, as you can tell from all the creeper holes. There's so many creeper holes that it looks like I just blew up some TNT here. It's creeper holes. Anyway, I'm gonna finish the mob farm in the next episode, and this is the end of this episode.